I'm in Blue Cypress Park and I'm gonna do some birding. I was actually birding the last 2 full days. I birded with Chef. He was from Oregon and I was happy to be his bird guide. But today I'm just birding by myself. Let's see what we can see. It's a beautiful place. Look at that. It's a St. John's River. People having fun with jet skis. See? The tide is out. Look. I took some video clips when I was birding with Chef and I wanted to share it. Yeah, there it is, Bachman Sparrow. What, the battery is dead? Oh, I can give you some pictures. Singing nicely. Yellow-throated warbler. Beautiful bird. Oh, he caught something. Nice. Yeah, yellow-throated warbler. This one goes to the other end, to the Lions Club. I just wanted to share some of the video clips I took when me and Chef were birding. I was taking him all over Jacksonville. Greener. My type is this. Yeah, look at him. He's just standing there and waiting for a handout. You see how much smaller the brown is?
Yeah, I didn't realize it was smaller.
Yeah. Actually, the white pelican is the largest bird in North America. That's the marble codwit. Really thrilling in. Kinda dirty. Yeah, that's the lesser yellow legs. Nice. The bill is much shorter. The bill is about the same length as a head. Yeah, good comparison. See that bill is much longer and the size is much bigger. Wow. That's so cool. Okay, look this way. He's facing to the other way. I'm gonna walk this nature trail. Today is March 13th and it's warm and nice. Yeah, that's the pine warbler. Next week I'm heading to Miami for biking and birding. I'm always on the move. Gotta have some fun in life. Some years ago I almost got robbed, yeah. I was just birding here and one guy started following me. And he was following me off the trail. And it was kind of weird. I had such a weird, eerie feeling about him. And he was like debating in his mind, should I rob this guy or not? Because I had a nice expensive camera and maybe he wanted to have it. But finally, I think he decided not to do any stupid things. I don't know, maybe it wasn't, but I had this hairy feeling. It's a pretty cool trail. Look at that. Bluebird. Eastern bluebird. He's just sitting on top of the post and singing. Savannah sparrow. He's enjoying the warmness of sun. He's not going anywhere. That's the Savannah sparrow. I'm back out. I wonder if the red-headed woodpeckers are still here. This is the spot where they hang out. Ok, vedrò di video. Yeah, nice. He's not coming out. Okay, now he came out. Where did the video? It's a beautiful boardwalk here at the back of the Blue Cypress Park. So next week I'm gonna head to Miami for biking and birding. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you then. I'm debating, should I take my road bike or my touring bike to Miami? I think I'm gonna take my road bike because I want to go to South Beach, ride in Key Biscayne and all those areas, downtown Miami. I'm gonna head back home now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week on the way to Miami.